In 1776, Adam Smith published The Wealth of Nations. One of the main things he emphasizes in that book is that mercantilism, at its basic logic, is fundamentally flawed. He annihilates the logic of mercantilism. He breaks apart the basic logic at an elementary level and attacks it from all different kinds of perspectives. Looking at trade deficits, looking at gathering up stocks of gold and money, all kinds of arguments in favor of mercantilist policy and against free trade are largely destroyed. This is widely seen as the end of the era of the logic of mercantilism. And yet, in modern times, people, everyday people, and politicians still hold these views. They act as though trade is zero sum. They act as though trade deficits are alarming and problematic. People still hold the views that Adam Smith annihilated the basic logic of over 200 years ago. We are confidently wrong about so many things. With so many varying disagreements, it has to be true that basically all of us are at least confidently wrong about some things. When I was in college, this is what struck me the most from my studies of economics, that some of the ideas that I had held and that so many people around the world hold are clearly wrong just by studying Econ 101 material. We are superheroes, and our power is our irrationality. We can be very wrong and not even notice. In this lecture series, we'll talk about that superpower and look at the ideas, made clear by behavioral economics, that fuel our superpower to have confident beliefs in politics and yet conflicting with so many other people to the point where we must be confidently wrong about some beliefs that we hold in the political arena. We'll look at applying behavioral economics to the realm of politics. In short, we will embark on an introduction to a behavioral political economy.